everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Everybody's having a great day. I have an unboxing today. So let's go ahead and get into it. Got my blade. It's actually really nice today. It was raining this morning, but it seems like it's clearing up. So hopefully when we go to Sheridan Lake, it's gonna be nice. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share, because when I reach 500 subscribers, I'm doing a Loungefly giveaway. And it's gonna be a Disney one. So all you gotta do is subscribe. It's pretty easy. All right, let's go ahead and get into it here. All right, let's see what I got. Oh, okay, it is Patricia Nash. All right, so it comes pretty good packaging. Okay, it comes in a bag that says Patricia Nash on it. Plastic bag. And then this is in, I don't know, like paper, I guess. All right, tissue paper, I guess. Yep. All right, it's a nice box. Pretty fancy. Patricia Nash has nice products, so if you're interested in getting a bag, or you can get a lot of stuff from, you can get a lot of accessories and stuff, so I'll show you my little collection that I have so far. But yeah, that's pretty cool. And let's see what's in the box. Alright, oh, I see, okay. You gotta be smarter than the box. I hope everybody's having a great day. I can't wait to go to Sheridan Lake. I'm really looking forward to it. Gonna stay at Loon Bay, so I will be vlogging from there. We're gonna be spending a few days there. All right, so this is nice. All right, let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Okay, let's see here. They got it tied to the back of the box, so bear with me here. All right, there we go. It's free. Oh, and it's even got that cool map too. I don't know. I was thinking about getting that small crossbody bag in the map. It's like yellow and it has this map design. I'm not sure, but I thought that was kind of cool looking actually. But we'll see. All right. Yeah, so you definitely want to keep the box. It's really nice. All right, and let's see here. It's got the Patricia Nash little logo there. Basically, this is a wristlet. This is leather. This is black leather. I don't think this is leather. It may be like a coated canvas or something like that, like what's on the Doonies. All right, let's go ahead and, oh, this is a good one. See, it opens from the, it opens all the way from the side, not just the top. So yeah, you can get a lot of stuff in this one. It's got the paper. It's got the Patricia Nash there. Oh, and look, it even has 3 card slots. So you could actually use this as a wallet, really. Yeah, that's really nice. And they were saying this is faux suede. But it feels like real suede, but apparently it's not. But it does feel really nice. And you can get 3 cards in there. But see, yeah, see like the side here? You can go all the way. So you can get a lot of stuff in this. Yeah, that's very cool. All right. And I think this is called Rustic Mums. Yeah, they have some pretty cool designs, actually. All right, let's see what my little collection of Patricia Nash. Now, the bags and the cross body bags, etc., they have their own dust bag. So that's what it looks like. Patricia Nash. And then this is her logo. Basically, drawstring. Pretty good. I mean, it's, you know, it's a dust bag. All right, and this is my crossbody bag that I got. And this is Old English with the ox blood, which I really like. And it holds quite a bit for being kind of a small bag, but you have to maneuver the items around to kind of make it work for you. So that's why I got this. It doesn't really match, but it doesn't really matter because I can get other pieces that match if I want to. If I don't, then I'll just keep what I have. But yeah, I really like this pattern as well because it has the oxblood color in it, and I thought that would be kind of a cool match. See how that kind of works that way. And then all you do is you just hold it up. It's got the same faux suede, which is nice. And then inside, I have my wallet. And then it's the same style with the cards and that type of thing. And then this part opens up like for your coins. So that's my little Patricia Nash collection. I really like it. I might be getting some more pieces. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I think they all kind of go together pretty good, actually. And then this has the crossbody strap that is adjustable. It's just not detachable, but that's okay. And then it has a cool pocket with a little snap, and then this is like the pocket, basically. And then it doesn't have feet, but it does have this like leather piece at the bottom to kind of protect the bottom from getting messed up. But yeah, I like this because it has the like the antique gold look. I like that. I like the oxblood color. And I like the size. It's good. It's kind of a grab and go. And then this is really cool because I like the zipper part of it. And this is not detachable. But yeah, inside's pretty roomy. With the card slots, you can kind of see them there. All right, and the bag that I'm currently rocking is my Dooney & Bourke Jared and this is Kingdom of Cute, and this is a satchel, and there's his luggage tag from the artist. Yeah, this is a very cool bag. I really like this bag. If you don't want compliments, then don't buy this bag. All right, So until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle with the senior point of view, and I hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.